If you're wondering how you can create or remove folders on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now to create a folder, just tap and hold on the app which you want to add to the folder, then drag it and place it on any other app which you want to add it to the folder. Just like that. Now after you release your finger, you will create a new folder. Now at the top of the folder, you will find the section of folder name. Just tap on folder name and you can give a name for your folder. For an example, I will name it Google Apps. Then tap on Done to save. Now as you can see, we have created a folder named Google Apps. Now to add more apps, just drag any other app and place it on the folder. And you will add it to this folder. Just like that. Now if you want to delete the folder which you have created, just tap and hold on the folder and select remove. Now by doing that, you will remove the folder which you have created, but you will not delete the app on your tablet. The apps will remain in your app drawer. Just like that. And this is how you can create and remove folders on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.